Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that concerns many of us, blackhead prevention for aging skin. But before we get started, I have something exciting to share with you. Are you looking to up your makeup game? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, 100 Makeup Tips PDF book is a must-have in your beauty arsenal. Packed with insider tips, tricks, and techniques, this book will elevate your makeup skills to the next level. Check out the link in the description below to grab your copy today. Now, let's tackle the issue of blackheads, particularly for those of us with aging skin. As we age, our skin's natural processes change and blackheads can become more stubborn and difficult to manage. But fear not. I've got some effective tips to keep those pesky blackheads at bay. Tip number 1. Cleanse regularly with a gentle exfoliating cleanser. As we age, our skin cell turnover slows down, leading to a buildup of dead skin cells that can clog pores and contribute to blackheads. Using a cleanser with gentle exfoliating properties helps to slough away dead skin cells and prevent blackheads from forming. Tip number 2. Incorporate a topical retinoid into your skincare routine. Retinoids, such as retinol, are powerhouse ingredients when it comes to combating blackheads and signs of aging. They work by increasing cell turnover, unclogging pores, and promoting collagen production for smoother, clearer skin. Tip number 3. Use non-comedogenic skincare and makeup products. These products are specially formulated to not clog pores, making them ideal for preventing blackheads. Look for labels that say non-comedogenic or oil-free when shopping for skincare and makeup products. Tip number 4. Don't forget to moisturize. Aging skin tends to be drier, which can exacerbate blackhead formation. Hydrating your skin with a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer helps to maintain its natural moisture barrier and prevent blackheads from cropping up. And there you have it. 4 essential tips for preventing blackheads on aging skin. Remember to be patient and consistent with your skincare routine, and don't hesitate to consult with a dermatologist if you're struggling with stubborn blackheads. Before you go, don't forget to check out 100 Makeup Tips PDF book to elevate your makeup game to new heights. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this invaluable resource. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful.